Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of pound dollar GBP USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of GBP USD in front of us, and the last traded price is 1.3054. So GBP USD somehow managed to survive the storm and maintain its support of 1.3000 that we have been talking for a long time. And if you look at the chart of DXY, then as we all know, DXY was extremely bullish. DXY was flying. So as a result, USD pairs were under pressure. The last traded price of DXY is 100.49. So DXY is also very much bullish, but could not cross the resistance zone of 100.80 to 100.50 that we have been talking last week. So 100.80 to 100.50 is still a resistance for DXY, but as we all know, the trend of the market is very important, and trend of DXY is bullish right now. And if we consider the trend of the market, and if the same bullishness continues, then yes, at one point DXY will break 100.5080 level and it will start flying again. The next resistance for DXY is around 102.50 to 103 level. This is the next resistance for DXY. Things are very much critical right now. In case DXY comes down, then around 100 level, around 99.60, there are multiple layers of support for DXY from the 50 moving average, from the Fibonacci 23.6%. So overall, the structure of DXY is very much bullish. Okay, so keep your one eye on DXY if you love to trade on any USD pair. And if we look at the chart of GBP USD, then one thing is certain, that the support of 1.3000 is still very much valid. Okay, and in case market comes down again, we can go for a buy. You can go for a buy again, but just make sure that you get the proper confirmation, because market has already tested the support twice. Okay, so this will be the third time. So when market will be coming down again to take support, observe the market first. If you see that just like the previous times, market is taking support around this level, if you see price rejection from below, if you see hammer kind of a pattern, bullish engulfing pattern or bullish pin bar pattern, you get the confirmation that buyers present in this level are still providing support to the market, and you can go for a buy. Once you get a confirmation that buyers are still present at 1.3000, go for a buy. This is a good level to buy. Okay, but in case you see heavy selling in the market, if you see market breaking the level also, do not take a sell position immediately, because in the last week we saw GBPUSD breaking the support and going down for quite some time, but market recovered again. So taking a sell position immediately will be a blunder. If you see market breaking this level also, observe the market, at least wait for 1 hour, 2 hours, and just observe, just to save your hard-earned money, just to save yourself from false breakout. Big false breakout are a big issue in the market. So wait for some time, then only take a sell position. Okay, otherwise there is still a good chance that market will take support and market will bounce from the support zone. And if market goes up from here on Monday, what you can do is you can take a sell position around 1.3130. 1.3130, you can take a sell position. Why? Because in this particular level we have the 200 moving average acting as dynamic resistance, and then we also have Fibonacci 23.6%. Okay, so if we combine all the factors, there is a possibility that market will face some selling pressure around this zone again. If you see price rejection from above, if you see market reversing from here, you can take a sell position. Okay, and the next resistance for GBPUSD is 1.3165, 1.3170. This is the second resistance for GBPUSD. Okay, so this is your first resistance, and this is your second resistance. These two are the resistances for GBPUSD. Overall, you can see that market is very much towards the downside. Chart looks bearish. So if you see market reversing from the resistance zone, you can obviously go for a sell position. And but the support of 1.3000 is very strong also. So if market bounces from the support zone, you can take a buy as well. But keep in mind, market has been very volatile. So please follow proper risk management. Any good trade setup may fail. So it's your duty to protect your hard-earned money. So do not make the mistake of compromising with the risk management. Okay, bye bye. Take care.